Hello everyone, I am Zahid Abbas. In this video we are going to learn about divisibility rules. Divisibility rules. Divisibility rules are shortcuts that help determine whether a number is divisible by another number or not, without actually performing long division. These rules are quite handy when working with larger numbers, and they can save time in various mathematical computations. Here are some common divisibility rules explained in detail. Divisibility by zero. Divisibility of a non-zero number by zero is simply undefined. It means we can't divide any non-zero number by zero. But 0 can be divided into as many parts as we want. If we divide 0 by any non-zero number, it always gives the same result, 0. However, division of 0 by 0 is indeterminate. It means 0 divided by 0 can be equal to any number. Yes, any number like 0, 1, 2, 10, 100, 1000, etc. To know about what is meant by indeterminate, watch this video. Divisibility by 1. Any number when divided by 1 remains unaffected. It means any number divided by 1 is equal to that number itself. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit at unit place is an even number. For example, 124 is divisible by 2 as its last digit is 4, which is an even number. But 125 is not divisible by 2 as its last digit is 5, which is not an even number. Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. For example, 273 is divisible by 3 because 2 plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 12, which is divisible by 3. But 274 is not divisible by 3 because 2 plus 7 plus 4 equals 13, which is not divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by last two digits is divisible by 4. For example, 524 is divisible by 4 because the number formed by last two digits is 24, which is divisible by 4. But 523 is not divisible by 4 because the number formed by last two digits is 23, which is not divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its last digit is 0 or 5. For example, 450 is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 0. Similarly, 125 is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5. However, 124 is not divisible by 5 because the last digit is not 0 or 5. Divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. For example, 84 is divisible by 6 because it is divisible by 2 as well as 3. Divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. For example, 84 is divisible by 6 because it is divisible by 2 as well as 3. But 86 is not divisible by 6 because it is divisible by 2 but not by 3. Similarly, 87 is not divisible by 6 because it is divisible by 3 but not by 2. Divisibility by 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the result obtained by subtracting double of the last digit from rest of the number is 0 or divisible by 7. For example, 259 is divisible by 7 because 25 minus 2 into 9 equals 25 minus 18 equals 7. Similarly, 105 is divisible by 7 because 10 minus 2 into 5 is equal to 10 minus 10, which is equal to 0. But 103 is not divisible by 7 because 10 minus 2 into 3 is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4, which is neither 0 not divisible by 7. Divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by last 3 digits is divisible by 8. For example, 3120 is divisible by 8 because the number formed by last 3 digits is 120, which is divisible by 8. But 3121 is not divisible by 8 because the number formed by last 3 digits is 121, which is not divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. For example, 891 is divisible by 9 because 8 plus 9 plus 1 equals 18, which is divisible by 9. But 892 is not divisible by 9 because 8 plus 9 plus 2 equals 19, which is not divisible by 8. Divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its last digit is 0. For example, 450 is divisible by 10 because the last digit is 0. Similarly, 1020 is divisible by 10 because the last digit is 0. However, 1234 is not divisible by 10 because the last digit is not 0. Divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if alternating sum of its digits is divisible by 11. An alternating sum is a mathematical operation that involves adding and subtracting numbers in an alternating pattern. For example, alternating sum of digits of 1452 is calculated as 1 minus 4 plus 5 minus 2 equals 0. Now, as 0 is divisible by 11, hence 1452 is also divisible by 11. And this is all about this video. Hopefully it will help you in learning about divisibility rules. See you soon with the next video. Till that, goodbye.